Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. So in this video we will discuss the 10th question of August Leetcode challenge. So our question is Excel sheet column number. Now you must focus one thing that in Excel we have rows and columns, and rows and columns are represented with A and B, A, B, C and so on. After Z, A comes, then AB comes, and then when when we reach up to when we reach up to ZZ, then what came? Then again A came, triple A came. So this is the thing what we have to do. We have to calculate its column number. Now A represents 1, B represents 2, C represents 3, Z represents 26, A represents 27 to the 27 only, AB represents 28. So we have to find that which number represent which number. So for that we have a very good formula or observation, whatever you need to say. So let's now solve it for a big number. So let's take it A, B, C, D, E. Now if we know that what is the element of E or D or C or A and B, then we can easily calculate. First of all, we have to calculate for E, then for B, then for C, then for D, then for A. Now first of all, its index we have to find out. Now in the index, something we have to do. Let's just do it. So first of all, I want to find the indexes. 0th index, so let's make its size smaller. So 0th index, first index, second index, third index and 4th index. I should also know one thing. What are their actual values? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what I do, I'll just iterate over every value and do some stuff. Now whenever I will iterate some values, I'll add these values and take powers of something with this. Now what I am trying to say, whenever we will iterate over all these values, first of all we will do some stuff with this value, then with this value 4 and 1, then with this 3 and 2, then with this 2 and 3, and then at the end we will do this with 1 and 4. So first of all, with the help of 5 and 0, what we will do? 26 to the power 0 plus the value. What our answer comes? 5. So 5 should be our value up to this index. Now after this 4 and 1 came. So this 4 and this 26, we'll do some stuff with this also. So we will not add it, we will multiply it. So let's do it. So 5 multiplied by 26 to the power 0, what it comes? It comes to be 5. Now again next element came. So at the place of 5 we will get 4. At the place of 26 to the power 0 we will get a 1. So 26 to the power 1, what it is? 26 to the power 1, 26 plus 4, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. So which is our answer till now. Now C came. So 2 and 3 we have values. So power will be 2, 26 to the power 2, and the value we have 3. So 26 to the power will be something and we will multiply it by 3. Sorry, we have done some mistake. Here it should not be 35. 26 to the power 1 is 26 multiplied by 4. What our value will be? It will be 4 and 12. Sorry, 10. It is coming 10, no? Yes. So our value is 104 plus 5, which is 109. So it is the value for simple DE. Now I have to calculate for DCE. Similar thing I have to do for C also. 3 multiplied by 26 to the power 2, 26 to the power 2. First of all we will calculate this and then we will calculate this. So at the end we will get this plus our previous answer as our answer. So what in short we have to do? First of all, we have to calculate its power, and with respect to this means I have to calculate the power of 26 with respect to this, and I have to multiply it by its respective value. Now this is a very simple question, so now let's go and directly see the solution. So now let's see the solution. So this is the solution for this question. So first of all, this is the basic syntax. What I'm explaining is the main part. The result will be initialized with 0. I'll iterate over all the values from I equals to 0 to I equals to n, and then whenever I'll iterate, this is the way how I will find the value, and this is the way how I will, what I'll do, what I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to calculate the power. Now we are getting in reverse order, means in our previous case we got A, B, C, D like this, so we have indented it 0, 1, 2 and 3, but in our case our indentation will be in reverse, 0, 1, 2 and 3, so we have to reverse it. So with the help of this we can reverse it. So this is the thing what we have to do in this question. So this question is also very easy. So for next question, subscribe my channel, like the video, share the videos and comment down if in this question also you does not got anything. Thank you guys.